Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? This is 2 to the power of k equals -2. Solving for the value of k that satisfies this equation. So I can have 2 to the power of k. And this equal here is -2. I can have it as 2 times -1. So remember, if you have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals -1. So I can simply have 2 to the power of k equals 2 times e power I times pi, which is this one here that equates to -1. So from here, I can apply natural log. I have natural log of 2 power k equals natural log of 2 times e power I times pi. Now, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. So from here we have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 times e power I times pi. And also, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So that means we are going to have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 plus natural log of e power I times pi, because this is my a and this is my b. Applying that here. So from here, I can have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 plus, for this, remember the identity, natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. Remember this, so we have I times pi times natural log of e. So from here, I have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 plus I times pi, because natural log eliminates e. So solving for k, I divide this by natural log of 2. I divide this by natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 eliminates natural log of 2. I have k equals, this is natural log of 2 plus I times pi divided by natural log of 2. So I can decide to have my k equals natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2 plus I times pi divided by natural log of 2. So from here, I can have k equals, this eliminate this, I have 1 plus I times pi divided by natural log of 2. So that means my k equals I times pi divided by natural log of 2 plus 1. Now we can as well also solve this using this other approach. I have 2 power k equals -2, meaning that 2 power k equals 2 times -1. And I can make use of this. If you have square root of -1, this is iota, that is I. Then I take the squares, one part of this eliminate this, I have -1 equals I power 2. So I can simply have, this is my 2 power k equals 2 times, instead of having -1 here, I have I power 2. So from here, I have 2k equals 2 I power 2. If you multiply this out, now I can apply log, natural log. I have natural log of 2 power k equals natural log of 2 times I power 2. Now remember, natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. The k count behind this, I have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 times I power 2. Now this is my a, this is my b. If you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. Meaning that I can have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 plus natural log of I power 2. So from here, I have k times natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2 plus natural log of I power 2. The 2 here count behind the natural log. I have to times natural log of I. So what I can do will be to isolate this k. So I divide this by natural log of 2. I divide this by natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 eliminates natural log of 2. K equals natural log of 2 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2. So I have k equals natural log of 2 plus, I can decide to divide each by natural log of 2. 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2. So from here, I have k equals this, eliminate this, I have 1 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2. So at the end, my k equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2 plus 1. Now, you can compare the two answers. Here, k is 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2 plus 1. While this, we have k equals I pi. So if you compare, the only difference here is that we have I pi, which is the same thing as 2 times natural log of I. Here, we have I pi, while here, we have 2 times natural log of I, which is exactly the same thing, depending on the revolutions to what you consider. So guys, that is it. The difference is just here is I pi, or here is 2 times natural log of I. So any of the methods you want to use in order to solve this is obviously very correct, guys. And this is how you can solve exponential problems step by step. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you and goodbye.